Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhay and today we are going to start a new AI series and this is the part 1. In this video we will understand what is Microsoft AI Foundry and how we can create our first AI project and how we can deploy AI models. As of 2026, everyone is talking about AI. Everyone is using AI by giving the prompts. Everyone, like, it can be a developer like who is using the AI to generate the code, and it can be a manager like who is using the AI to generate the reports, to maintain the Excel word file or presentation. It can be a content creator, it can be a editor like who is editing the image or videos, kind of that, right? But as a developer, prompt engineering is just the beginning. Our goal is to build intelligent applications that solve real world problems using AI services like speech services, OCR service, computer vision, chatbots, AI agents, and even agentic AI for the automation. So as a developer, like, we need to focus more on these AI services instead of just giving the prompts. So like when you are creating some AI services, so the question come to your mind like how we can manage all these AI services. So the answer is Microsoft AI Foundry. Okay, so basically, like, Azure provide lot of AI services. Okay, like to perform all the operations and all. Even like right now, like you can also deploy the models like which is not related to just OpenAI. Like it you can deploy any models which you want. Like it can be a Claude or Grok and everything. We will see in this video. Okay, but the idea is Azure provide all the capabilities. Okay, like if you are creating any application using the AI, you can. Okay, but the question is how you can create and manage all of your AI services. The answer is Microsoft AI Foundry. So in this video, I will give you a quick introduction to the Microsoft AI Foundry, then show you how we can create our first AI project and how we can deploy our first AI model. Okay, so before moving forward, I'm requesting you all guys to subscribe my channel. Like if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel so that like you will not miss any video which is coming, which is upcoming. Okay, I'm like going to create the AI series. Okay, and even like parallelly, I'm also creating the content for the AI 103 certification. Okay. So first of all, like let's understand what is Microsoft AI Foundry by the proper definition. Okay, Microsoft AI Foundry is a Microsoft unified platform for building AI applications. Using AI Foundry, developers can build AI applications, manage AI application, deploy AI models. Okay, deploy AI models like it can be a GPT or it can be a Claude, Grok, or even embedding models and for image generation, video generation. Every model is present here, okay, on the Foundry. So we can deploy AI models, we can manage it, and we can test it. Okay, we can test our model by giving the prompt. We can evaluate model responses, and like based on some criteria, we can also evaluate our model. Okay, like how, what is the efficiency of them, like how they are working, and we can then monitor our AI applications. Okay, so all these tasks we can perform on the Microsoft AI Foundry. By the simple definition, Azure AI Foundry or a Microsoft AI Foundry is a centralized platform for developing, deploying, and managing AI solutions. Okay, like before even like Microsoft Foundry, like developers like used to create AI services from the Azure portal directly. Okay, like if you know already about the Azure portal, in the Azure portal, like we can create every cloud service. Okay, like whatever provided by the Azure, we can create those services on the Azure portal. Like it can be a app service, it can be a Cosmos DB, SQL DB, it can be a function app, it can be a container, it can be a virtual machine, it can be anything, like anything you name it, like you can create on the Azure portal. Okay, and even AI services you can also create on the Azure portal, but For the AI services, what Microsoft did, like it created a separate portal so that we can manage every AI services on that portal easily. Okay, like to for the easiest way possible. Okay, so that portal called as Microsoft Foundry. Let me do one thing, like let me go to the portal and let me show you directly. Okay, like suppose first of all, like how you can come to the portal, like you need to search with the ai.azure.com. Okay, so this is the basic URL, ai.azure.com, and for our Azure portal, like it was portal.azure.com, right? So portal.azure.com was a Azure portal, and ai.azure.com is a Foundry portal. Okay, let me refresh it so that it will log in me. Let me sign in again, like it might lost. Yeah. Okay, so this is the portal when you come first time now, like this is it will look like. Okay, like it is showing something, like it is showing this model deployment, some help, like you there, like you can see what is Azure AI Foundry is, and you can like take help, watch tutorials, right? So everything is just demo is present, and it will show like what are the latest models are available, Claude's on it, Claude, Mythos, this is come recently, right? And the Claude Fable is come also recently. Okay, so all the models it is showing, and let's understand like how we can create the project here. Okay, like this is a Microsoft Foundry, and how we can create the project here. First of all, like if you are coming to this portal, I am requesting you, like you can switch this particular button. Okay, like new Foundry, because they created a new Foundry. Okay, so maybe I can create the project at this time as well. Okay, like this is, let me name it, let me name this project as a test project. Mm-hmm. The first letter must be alphanumeric. Okay, this is fine. Okay, and the domain name is Microsoft Foundry resources unavailable. Let me put the resource test like that. Yeah, it will work. Then it will ask for the age of subscription. Okay, then like you need to remember like the subscription supposed to be there. Okay, like it is, so basically like this is I logged in with my Azure account. Okay, then everything is fine, like it had auto filled. Okay, and it is creating the new resource group, then it is fine. Okay, if you want some resource group to be added, like you can add your resource group as well. Okay, that's fine, and reason and all. Then what it will do, like in some seconds or a minute, like it will create the new project. And once you like create the new project, in that project, like you need to deploy some models. Okay, like I will show you like what are the things and what are the tools available for in the Microsoft Foundry, so that you can navigate properly, like when you come to this portal first time. This is just a demo video. Okay, like I am not going to teach you everything in this video. Okay, in upcoming videos, like we will see like how we can create the chatbot and how we can integrate that chatbot with our UI application or website. Okay, but this is just demo video, like what just to show you like what is Microsoft Foundry is. It is taking more time. Okay, let it be. Meanwhile, like you can give the feedback in the comment section, like what is my tone and everything, like because this is my initial phase of teaching. Okay, so like I don't know a lot about the teaching and the what kind of a tone I should use. Okay, and like I am teaching in English, but this is not my mother tongue. Okay, like my mother tongue is Hindi. So okay, so once like it create the project on the Microsoft Foundry, like you will see lot of things. Okay, like it is showing, it is having the project endpoint, it is having the API key. Okay, these two things are important, because whenever you are going to create something and whenever you are trying to use that particular resource service in your code, okay, and it can be a Python code, it can be a C sharp code. So whenever you are fetching any services, like you might need these two things, okay, endpoint and API key. So when you create the project, the screen will look like this, okay, like it is already suggesting me some options like build an agent or code an agent, okay. So it is already giving me a lot of options, okay, like it is showing user model, view deployments and all. What are the keys? Project endpoint is more like a whatever the name I give here, like test project resource test, then okay, this is my the name which I give, right, and this then is showing services.ai.azure, then API project and test project, okay. So this is the endpoint, okay, and using this endpoint, like you can access all the resources which you are going to create under this Foundry portal, okay. So what we can do, we can create one or we can deploy one model, okay. Like when you come to this portal, you will see this build, operate, doc. So go in the build section, okay, build, then deployment in the left side, deployment. Then here, like we have options to deploy a base model. What is base model? It's a LLM model, okay, because LLM model is nothing but a base model. Like it can be a GPT-4, GPT-5, Claude, Grok, okay, they all are the base model. And on that base model, like you can use directly those base models, or you can fine tune those models to create your own model. So when you go in this model sections, like you will see a lot of things, okay. It is supposed to be in the discover point, okay, not in the build. If you directly come to the discover, like you will see this page, okay. Then here, like you can see all the models are present here: Claude, Sonnet, Claude Fable, Claude Opus, DeepSeek, Kimi, even GPT Image 2, GPT-4, it can be somewhere, right? GPT-5 Pro, GPT 5.4 Mini, okay, and like every model is present here, okay. For even the embedding models are present here. So if we search with the embedding, it might show some results, okay. Text embedding 3 large, okay, like this is by the OpenAI. And text embedding, I will show you like what is embedding in upcoming videos, okay. But this is the overall idea, and this embedding model sometimes useful, okay, when we are creating the rack system and all, okay. So this is the overall idea, like the models are present and we can then deploy the models, okay. And when we are searching it, like we have lot of filters options here, like based on your requirement you can also search, okay, here, like what kind of a collection like do you want, like from where like you want to deploy, and what are the managed compute serverless APIs. So based on these, like when you select those options, you will see the model here in the list, okay. But for now, let's do one thing. Let's deploy one model, okay. Let me try GPT-5 mini. GPT-5 mini, okay. I'm deploying it, okay, because it might be possible that with your Azure subscription account, or when we are created this project, we selected the region as a East US, right? So it might be possible when you are deploying some kind of a model, it might be possible that it will not work, okay. Because I have right now the free account as free Azure account, okay. So sometimes like it is showing some kind of a issue, and it is showing like I don't have any tokens or something, okay. But this is working in my system, okay, GPT-5 mini. That's why like I am showing you this deployment. So when you click on when you open this, you will see this option deploy, and then again deploy with the default setting, even with the custom setting, okay. So let's try the default setting. Custom settings we will see later, okay. In the custom settings, like nothing much, like you can just add it, okay, like what are the temperature parameters, like you can set before deploying it, and what are the token limits you want to set, okay. Everything like you can set before deploying the models, okay. So when you deployed it, this is deployed, okay, and this is my models kind of thing, okay. So whatever I'm going to give here, okay, whatever the prompt I'm going to give here, it will the billing will associate to me. Okay, so be cautious. Okay, whatever the prompt you are giving, like it will come to your account. Okay, then here like you can set all the other parameters, the completion tokens, and somewhere like it is also having that options to set the temperature and parameters things. Here like you can put the system prompt. Okay, like whatever the what kind of a model is this. Okay, what it is supposed to do. Okay, whether like it is a teacher agent, or it is only related to the coding part, or it is only related to some research part. Okay, based on that like you can give the instruction, otherwise like leave it like that way. Okay, then we have more options for the tool. Like here like we have lot of options. Okay, file search, core interpreter, web search, MCP models, like you heard about. It might be possible like you heard a lot about these MCP models, because this is the hot topic in 2026. Okay, we will see how we can create the MCP servers, and we can attach how we can attach with our model. Okay, this is the web search. If you do it, then whenever you are asking some questions to the AI, it will check the web servers web pages as well. Okay, like the current pages, like is there any information there present or not. Okay, so something like that. If you just give the file search, like if you just upload the file, it will answer your question based on those files. Okay, so these are the main work of the tools. Okay, we will see these tools in upcoming videos as well, like what are the main things of the tools. Okay, like what issue they solve. Then we have the knowledge that contain the data of that particular um, AI. Okay, then we have memory, and this last part. Okay, this is related to the responsive AI. Okay, like that AI, like what kind of a risk we have, and risk control, everything. Okay, like we generally like don't need to manage this. Okay, because by default like it is already handling the wrong things. Okay, but this is just the overall idea, like how we can deploy the model. If you want to test it, we can just give the message here. If I am giving the high, it will give me the idea. Okay, like how what help I can give. Okay. So let me give the another prompt, like what is the weather right now in India. The weather right now in India. Okay, then it might be possible like it will not give the accurate answer. Okay, because it is not having the proper data. Okay, the weather data. Okay, I don't have access to the live weather data. Okay, but how if you want to give your AI model the live data, what you can do for now, like you can just enable the web search. Okay, the web search is here. So if you ask the same question again, let's see like whether this time it is working or not. If I just copy it and paste it, let's see. Hmm. See, when we enable this web search, so it is giving me some kind of a data. Today 8 July. Do you mean right now as of date, specific country wise? Okay, like it is asking for specific city. Okay, but it is also giving the data. Okay, like some kind of a data. Okay, using the web search. So like it is searching the web results. Okay, whatever the news or data is published on the website or something, like it is fetching the data from here and it is showing us the results. Okay, so this is overall the introductions part. I hope like you understand what I'm trying to say, and what you understand like what Microsoft Foundry portal do. Okay, in upcoming video, in the next video, we will create one chatbot, and we will attach that chatbot in our website. Okay, in our UI screen. Okay, if you are new to this channel, then I'm requesting you to please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.